Hi, today we're running our digging backhoe skid steer attachment. We offer two different models. One is a rigid boom and one is a swing boom. The swing boom, which you see here, has a hydraulic valve block and a cylinder which operate the arm so you can swing 100 degrees total left or right. These pivot pins are 2-inch diameter, they're greasable, and they also have wear bushings built into them. This unit can dig about 6 feet deep. We offer buckets from 9 inches all the way up to 24 inches. Today we have a 12-inch bucket mounted on it. The conditions here are really poor. It's sticky clay right here. We've had a wet fall, so it was not very good digging conditions. And I haven't used this attachment for quite a while, so it took me a little while to get kind of the hang of it. So we ran it here about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I was starting to get the hang of it. But to really be smooth, you might need 30 to 60 minutes in the seat. The top cylinder is a 2.5-inch by 16-inch stroke, so this gives you a breakout force at the bucket of about 5,300 pounds at 3,000 psi. The arm is made up of 1/4-inch formed plate steel on the top and sides with 3/8-inch plate steel on the bottom side. So this is the side that's in tension when you're working. It's also the side that gets hit a lot by debris or rocks or anything when you're digging. So it's good to have a thicker plate on the bottom side.